Good morning, class 10. Continue. SE Trigonometry for 20 marks, part 2. Question number 4a. Express twice cos theta sin alpha in terms of the sum or difference of sin or cosine. यहाँ के दिएको छ 2 cos theta sin alpha. एंगल हेरौँ 2 cos theta sin alpha in terms of the sum or difference of sin or cosine. Define multiples or sub-multiples of A. Solution. You have to know sine plus sine, 2 sine cos. I write down the technique. Sine plus sine, sine minus sine, cos plus cos, cos minus cos. I have already taught. Sine plus sine, 2 sine cos, sine minus sine, 2 cos sine. This one. So, solution question number 4a, twice cos theta sin alpha. What formula is fit? 2 cos theta sin alpha. Sin plus sin, 2 sin cos, cos sin minus sin, 2 cos sin, twice cos, cos, twice sin, sin. First of all, you have to know sin minus sin, 2 cos sin. It means 2 cos sin means sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. Sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. If you want 2 sin cos, that is also sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. This is also correct. But according to given condition, 2 cos A sin B is sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. But you can write minus as plus and sin alpha minus theta. That is also correct. Sin minus sin, 2 cosine. Sin A plus B minus sin A minus B equal 2 cos A sin B, which is the required condition. Multiple and sub-multiple. Multiple means bigger angle, sub-multiple means smaller angle. See, multiple and sub-multiple. First of all, multiples. If any angle, if alpha is an angle, then twice alpha, thrice alpha, see, 4 alpha, 5 alpha, etc. are called the multiples of alpha. Means multiples means bigger angles. Alpha is any angle, then 2 alpha or 1.5 alpha, 3 by 2, 3 alpha, 7 by 2 alpha, 4 alpha, 4.5 alpha, 5 alpha, 5.5, etc. bigger than alpha are called multiples. Thorough. Alpha is the angle, 2 alpha, 3 alpha, 4 alpha, 5 alpha, etc. are called the multiples of alpha. Now sub-multiples. What do you mean a sub-multiple means smaller? If I just change the theta is any angle, then theta by 2, theta by 3, theta by 4, theta by 5, etc. are called sub-multiples of theta. See, theta. If theta is an angle, then smaller than theta. Theta by 2, theta by 3, theta by 4, theta by 5, which are smaller than theta, are called sub-multiples. Here, meaning of multiples, bigger, sub-multiples, smaller than. Question number 4a, finished. Now, question number 9. 4A, 4B. For 1 mark, if twice cos alpha plus root 3 equals 0, find alpha. See, find alpha. Without wasting time, I solve. Twice cos alpha equal minus root 3, plus becomes minus, or cos alpha equal minus root 3 by 2, or cos is negative. When is cos negative? See, all sin cosec, tan cot, cosec. Cos positive first and second, but negative third and second. Second and third. Cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. So 180 degree minus 30 degree, and cos 180 degree plus 30 degree. 180, not don't write 90 and 270. Cos, there is cos 180 minus theta minus cos theta, cos 180 plus theta minus cos theta. Therefore, solving 180 minus theta, 30, 150, 180 plus 210 degree answer. This is a short question. Question number 4, 4B finished. Question number 9. 9A. This is very short. This one is short. Find cos 15 degree, or you can write pi by 12 also. Find cos 15 degree here without using a calculator. It means without using calculator. Here see, without using a calculator. It means calculator प्रयोग नगरिकन cos 15 को भ्यालु निकाल्ने for 2 marks. Cos here, cos 15 degree equal cos 45 degree minus 30 degree, or you can write 60 minus 45 as well. Cos A minus B formula, cos A minus B formula, cos A into cos B plus, not minus, sin A into sin B. Formula is, the formula cos A minus B, cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Remember, cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. If there is minus, there should be plus. If there is plus, there is minus for cos. Cos को लागि cos A minus B भयो यहाँ plus, plus भए minus हुन्छ, sin मा चाहिँ त्यस्तो हुँदैन. Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B is cos A minus B. Now put the general value cos 45 1 by root 2, cos 30 root 3 by 2, sin 45 1 by root 2 sin 30 half. Take LCM, 2 root 2 LCM. Without wasting time, we can directly do 2 root 2 2 root 2, root 3 plus 1. Therefore, you can write cos 15 degree equal root 3 plus 1 by twice root 2 answer. See, cos 15 degree, cos 45 minus 30, or you can also write 60 minus 45. Cos A minus B, cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Put the value of cos 45, 1 by root 2, cos 30, root 3 by 2, sin 45, 1 by root 2, sin 30, 1 by 2. Correct, yeah? Already taught in class 9. Take LCM, twice root 2 LCM of numerator root 3 plus 1. So, cos 15 degree equal root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2 answer. The process of writing 9A. 9A, 9B. Prove that 9A is prove that cos A minus B, cos A cos B plus sin A sin B, compound angle formula. You learn in class 9, but this is also applicable in class 10. 9 पढे पनि 10 मा पढ्नु पर्ने answer. 9b, prove that sin 10x minus sin 6x upon cos 10x plus cos 6x equal tan twice x. If RHS is wrong, you can take it. See, sin 10x minus sin 6x. Just write down the LHS. Sin 10x minus sin 6x by cos 10x plus cos 6x. Just remember the formula. Sin minus sin and cos plus cos. Sin minus sin, 2 cos sin. Sin A minus sin B, twice cos A. This is A, this is B. A, B. A plus B by 2 into 2 cos sin 10x. Sin A minus sin B, 2 cos A plus B by 2 into sin A minus B by 2. Cos plus cos, 2 cos A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2. Formula: sin minus sin, 2 cos sin, cos plus cos, 2 cos cos. Technique. I have written the technique. Sin minus sin, 2 cos sin, cos plus cos, 2 cos cos. That this technique is important. Even you forget the formula. Formula बिर्से पनि यसबाट आउँछ. Sin minus sin, 2 cos sin, cos sum and divide by 2, difference divide by 2. A plus b by 2, a minus b by 2. If it is exactly same, you can cut the whole. Exactly same. Sin 10 minus 6, 4x. Don't jump the step. स्टेपहरूलाई जम्प नगर्ने. यो 10 minus 6, 4, 4 by 2 डाइरेक्ट यसरी नलेख्ने. cos 4x by 2. Sin 2 to the 4 twice x by cos twice x. Sin by cos is 10 twice x. Right side proved. It is not necessary to write down the question again. Left side sin 10x sin 6x, cos 10x plus cos 6x. Sin minus sin, 2 cos sin. 2 cos A plus B by 2, sin A minus B by 2. Cos A plus cos B, 2 cos A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2. Like term, cancel like terms. Numerator and denominator. Sin 10 minus 4x by 2, cos 4x by 2. Equal sin 2, 2 to the 4, sin 2x by cos 2x. Sin by cos is tan 2x. RSS proved. Question number 9b. Now 9c. For short question, you are practicing short question. You have to prove 9c. Prove that, or see that is solve also. 2 sin beta plus root 3 equal 0. Just like poem, you have to solve 0 range 2 pi. If there is pi only, pi means 180 degree, 180 degree सम्म लेख्ने. If there is 2 pi, find the value of beta up to 360 degree. Solution of this question is this: twice sin beta plus root 3 equal 0 given, or twice sin beta equal minus root 3, plus root 3 becomes minus root 3, or sin beta equal minus root 3 by 2. all positive, sine, cosec, tan, cos, sin. Here sine is negative. Sine is negative where? All positive? Not. Sine, cosec positive? No. Sine is positive in the first and second. Sine is negative in the third and fourth. You learn in class 9. 9 ki pura or you have to take it in the third quadrant. How to take it in the third quadrant? Third quadrant, there is plus, there is minus. You have to write sine 180 degree plus root 3 by 2 is sine 60 degree. So write 60 degree. Sine 180 degree plus a is minus sine a minus sine 60 minus root 3 by 2. Sine 60 भनेको root 3 by 2. यहाँ minus ल्याउनुको लागि third quadrant मा पढ्नु. This is third quadrant. Fourth quadrant मा कसरी लेख्ने? Sine 360 degree minus 60 degree लेख्ने चाहिँ. 360 minus 60. Now therefore beta equal sine cancel 180 plus 60 240 degree. 360 minus 60 300 degree answer. So beta equal 240 to 300 because beta is from 0 degree to 360. If it is plus, if plus by 180 minus 60 degree. So check the answer. You can check the answer if it's correct or not. See, first degree sine 30 degree is 0.5. It is in degree. Yes, see. Sine 240 degree. What is the value? Minus 0.866 means root 3 by 2. Again, sine 300 degree minus 0.86. Minus, because root 3 by 2 is 0.866. Correct. Solution is also 9C. Now question number 16 now. Long question. Very short and short finish. Now long question. Question number 16. The condition is this. Prove that twice sine square pi by 4 minus a equal 1 minus 10a whole square upon 1 plus 10 square. This is the question. See, how to write down 2 sine square pi by 4 means 45 degree minus a equal 1 minus 10a whole square upon 1 plus 10 square a. See. Question number 16. Prove that twice sine square pi by 4 minus a equal 1 minus 10 square 10a whole square upon 1 plus 10 square. Left hand side, write down this. Twice sine square pi by 4 minus a. What is the formula of 2 sine square a? Cos 2 theta 1 minus 2 sine square theta. Remember this. Cos 2 theta 1 minus 2 sine square theta and derive the formula from derived. 2 sine square a 1 minus cos twice a 1 minus cos twice a. Why? Because cos 2 theta equal 1 minus 2 sine square theta and derive. It's like derive गरेर लेखेको formula. 2 sine square a 1 minus cos twice a. This is twice. 1 right 1 cos multiply by 2. 2 pi by 4 means pi by 2. 2 to the 4 minus 2 into a twice a. 1 minus cos 90 degree minus a sine a. Cos 90 degree minus a is sine a because cos 90 degree minus theta equal sine theta. Complementary angle. CC. Complementary change. Supplementary same. Technique CC and SS. Complementary angle 90 and 270. Ratio change. Supplementary means 180 and 360. So, same. Supplementary same. SS. Complementary change CC. CCSS technique. 1 minus. Now change sine to alpha. Sine 2a in terms of tan A. Sine twice A is 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A. Double angle formula. Here write down double angle. Double angle formula sine 2a 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A. Because A, if A is the angle, 2a is the multiple. Now what you do? 1 plus tan square A. LCM. Then this into this. 1 plus tan square A minus 2 tan A. Now 1 plus tan square A. You can write in this way. 1 is 1 square minus twice A B plus B square upon 1 plus tan square A. 1 plus tan square A is also sec square A, but right side. Arranging and changing the square form. It's like arrange going 1 square 1 minus 2 into 1 2 tan square A there. A square minus twice B plus B square is A minus B whole square upon 1 plus tan square A, right hand side. First of all, take left hand side 2 sine square pi by 4 minus A. 2 sine square theta is 1 minus cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta is 1 minus 2 sine square theta, and you have derived, like derived गरेको. 2 sine square A 1 minus cos 2A. Cos 2 into pi by 4 pi by 2 2A. Cos 90 degree minus A sin A. Sin 2A 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A. Take LCM. Arrange A square minus twice B plus B square. A minus B whole square. Denominator same. So left hand side equal right hand side. Proved. Is question number 16. Long question for 4 marks. Question number 17 now. Conditional question. Conditional question. If A plus B plus C equal pi radian, say 180 degree or 180 degree. Sometimes 180 degree, sometimes pi radian, but sometimes 200 grade as well. Remember, as you learn in class 9, 8 and 9. Or if A, B, C are the angles in a triangle, then prove that twice sine A by 2 cos A by 2 plus sine B minus sine C equal 4 sine A by 2 sine B by 2 cos C by 2. See, the given condition is this. Solution. Right side is A by 2. Right side ma A by 2 छ. त्यसैले याद गर्नुपर्छ A by 2 लेख्नुपर्छ. A plus B plus C equal pi radian. This is given. Right side ma A by 2 B by 2 भएको भने यहाँ पनि A by 2 नै दिने. Or A by 2 plus B by 2 equal pi by 2 minus C by 2. यसलाई चाहिँ स्टेप जम्प भनिदैन. A by 2 plus B by 2 dividing by 2. Dividing by 2. C is taken to RHS. Now taking sine and cos. यसमा sin cos लिने. So sin A by 2 plus B by 2 equal sin pi by 2 minus C by 2. Sin 90 minus A is cos A. Sin 90 minus A cos A. Cos, take cos on both sides. Cos 90 degree minus C by 2 is sin C by 2. Sin 90 minus A, cos 90 degree minus A, sin A. Because on the right side, there are sub multiples A by 2, B by 2, C by 2. Now left hand side, write down left hand side twice sin A by 2 into cos A by 2 plus sin B minus sin C. 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2, sub multiples. This is sin A plus sin B minus sin C. Sin plus sin, 2 sin cos. Sin A plus sin B, transformation formula. Transformation 2 sin A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2 minus sin C. See, what is there? Sin C, there is cos C. So you have to change. 2 sin A plus B by 2. Sin A plus B by 2 is cos C by 2 into cos A minus B by 2 minus sin C is 2 sin C by 2 into cos C by 2. See, here sub multiple angle, half angle. There sin A plus B by 2 is cos C by 2, already proved. Now what you do? 2 cos C by 2 common. 2 common. Remaining cos A minus B by 2 minus sin C by 2. So दुईटामा 2 cos C by 2 common लिने. Remember, remaining cos A minus B by 2 minus sin C by 2. Then what you do? Now, hey, एकचोटि बुझाइदिन्छु. यसलाई मेट्नु पर्ने हुन्छ. A plus B plus C equal pi. A by 2 plus B by 2, pi by 2 minus C by 2. RHS sub multiple छ. Taking sin and cos. Sin, take sin. Sin 90 minus A, cos A. Take cos. Cos 90 minus A, sin A. Left side, 2 sin A by 2, cos A by 2, sin A. Sub multiple. Sin B minus sin C. यो half angle लाई sin A मा लगेको. Sin plus sin, 2 sin cos. 2 sin A plus B by 2, cos A minus B by 2. Plus minus sin C same. 2 sin A plus B by 2 is cos C by 2. Sin C, 2 sin C by 2, cos C by 2. Take 2 cos C by 2 common, remaining cos A minus B by 2 minus sin C by 2. Now, what is sin C by 2? Sin C by 2 is cos A plus B by 2. You can put the value. Equal 2 cos C by 2. This can be written as cos A by 2 minus B by 2 minus sin C by 2 is already proved cos A by 2 plus B by 2. Given or proved 2 cos C by 2. Remember, cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Suppose A by C, C minus D minus cos C minus D minus cos C plus D is 2 sin A sin B. 2 sin C into sin D. Formula, I write the formula cos C minus D minus cos C plus D equal 2 sin C sin D. Cos C minus D minus cos C plus D equal 2 sin C sin D. C D. Cos C minus D minus cos C plus D is 2 sin C sin D. or cos A minus B minus cos A plus B equal 2 sin A sin B. A by 2, B को ठाउँमा B by 2 छ. Now 2 into 2 4 sin A by 2 sin B by 2 cos C by 2. Right hand side proved. Technique: A plus B plus C equal pi. Divide, take C to right side, divide by 2, take sin 90 degree minus A cos A, take cos 90 degree minus A sin A, then take LHS, sin plus sin 2 sin cos. Half angle formula, take common, this comes sin C by 2 is cos A by 2 plus B by 2. Then cos minus cos 2 sin. Technique: cos minus cos 2 sin. That technique is very important. Cos A minus cos B. Question number 16, 17. Now last question. Question number 18. Height and distance. Question number 18. Height and distance. See. Bottom means foot also. See. Question is this. Question number 18. From the top of a tower, 24-meter high, the angles of depression of the top and the bottom or foot of a pole are 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of the pole. In Nepali, 24 meter अग्लो टावरको टपबाट माथि टुप्पो अथवा टपबाट एउटा पोलको टप र बटम अथवा फुटमा हेर्दा एंगल अफ डिप्रेसन 45 डिग्री छ, टपको बटमको 60 डिग्री छ भने find the height of the pole. Then how to write down the figure correctly? Depression, just by the word depression, the overseer or that person is observing the 2 points from above to below. Below him or below her. माथिबाट तलतिर हेरेको छ. Up to down. From up to down. माथिबाट तलतिर हेरेको. Solution. How to draw the figure? First of all, 24 meter high. I just give hints. 24 meter high. Pole. Your tower छ. Tower is pole. Pole भयो यो ground. Parallel line. यहाँबाट हेर्नु. First sketch draw whether it is correct or not. 24 meter अग्लोबाट यहाँ हेरेको angle of depression 45, bottom को 60 degree, इसको 45 degree. यो 24 meter high. Find the height of the pole. यो यसको मात्रै निकाल्नु पर्ने. This rough sketch. After rough sketch should be there. Now I draw fairly. See, what is this? This is a tower, 24 meter high. This is a pole whose height is to be found. And this is the ground. Draw a line parallel from the top of the, see, from the top of a tower, tower यो भयो, tower को top भनेको यो भयो. Tower को top बाट पोल को टप में हेर्दा एंगल अफ डिप्रेसन सी there is a line parallel to the ground, all are parallel. This angle is 45 degree, this angle is also 45 degree because the alternate angles, see, alternate angles z or opposite z, reverse z, alternate angles are equal. From the top to top, angle of depression 45, from top to bottom is 60 degree. This is also 60 degree. The tower is 24 meter high, and you have to find the height of the pole. Now name, give the name A, B, C, D, E, F. Write down the names. Now first of all, write down the short and sweet language. 24-meter high tower, top, AB pole. The person is observing the top of the pole A as 45 degree, bottom of the pole B 60 degree. यहाँबाट यहाँ हेर्दा 45, bottom हेर्दा 60 degree. Now let CE, this one C be a 24-meter high tower and AB a pole. See, 24 meters. See, pole, angle AEF. This angle AEF equal EAD, or angle DAE 45 degree. Angle of depression of the top. Bottom now, EBC. Angle EBC equal angle EBC equal BEF. BEF equals 60 degree. Angle of depression of the top of the pole from the top of the tower. This one is angle of depression of the foot or bottom of the pole from the top of the tower. Tower को top बाट top में 45 degree depression. Tower को top बाट bottom में 60 degree depression. First in triangle BCE. In triangle BCE, tan 60 degree equal EC by BC, P by B, or tan 60 degree root 3, EC 24, BC we don't know. Now find the value of BC, or BC root 3 equal 24, or BC equal 24 by root 3, or either you can use a calculator, or if you have no calculator, you can if you have no calculator, 24 by root 3 into root 3 by root 3. 24 root 3 by 3, 8 root 3. If you have a calculator, you can directly use without doing this. 24 by root 3. What you do? 24 by root 3. See, 24 divided by root 3 equal 13.86. 13.86 meter nearly. BC is 13.8. AD is also 13.86. Again, top of a tower 24. Pole AB. Angle of depression at the top A 45. Angle of depression at the foot 60 degree given in triangle BCE. Take tan 60 degree equal EC by BC. Tan 60 degree root 3 equal 24 by BC. Here cross multiply. Find the value of BC as 13.86. Now continue. BC equal 13.86. AD. Therefore, AD equal BC equal 13.86 meter. AD and BC are equivalent parallel. Now in triangle ADE, Matthew, ADE, tan 45 degree equal ED by AD. ED by AD. Tan 45 degree equal 1. ED we don't know. AD 13.86. By cross multiplying, ED equal 13.86 meter. ED equals 13.86. So what is the value of CD? CD equal CE minus DE whole part section. यो भनेको पुराबाट माथि बढाउने. CE already given 24, DE 13.86. Use a calculator. At the time of exam, you have very less time. 24 minus 13.86, 10.14. 10.14 meter. CD equal 10.14 meter. Then what you can write? CD equal, CD and AB are equal. AB equal CD equal 10.14 meter. So therefore height of the pole is, therefore height of the pole equal AB equal 10.14 meters. And what you do? You have to do short form. Pole 24, angle of depression 45 and 60. In take triangle BCE and find BC. Find BC 13.86. AD is equal to BC. AD is known. Angle is known. In triangle ADE, find the value of ED. Subtract ED from 24. Whole part section. Find out the value of CD. CD and AB are equal. So height of the pole is, pole AB equal 10.14. The person is observing 2 points A and B from the top. So height of the pole is 10.14 meter. Finally, we have to write down meters.